Water. Without it, life on Earth could not exist. We could not exist. And yet we take it for granted that water will always be available. But what happens when it isn't? During the floods of April 2022, torrential rains caused widespread destruction, flooding, and mudslides in KwaZulu-Natal. Water supply infrastructure was badly damaged, and 80% of the water in the worst-hit areas was contaminated. Many thousands of people found themselves unable to get safe, clean drinking water. Along with several other South African companies, Safripol stepped in to help. An incredible partnership between Gift of the Givers, Africa Tanks and Safripol was able to provide water tanks sufficient for 1.25 million litres of continued water supply for ongoing community relief. Along with the extensive cleanup operations and donations of food supplies, Safripol's involvement in creating these water tanks provided a lasting solution.
Because of the floods, our community as a whole was affected. We couldn't access water. For the schools, hygiene was more affected because the learners could not really wash their hands in the school premises, and also sanitary facilities were affected. We could not flush the toilets. But the main thing that was affected was education in our schools, because schools needed to be closed 2 hours or 3 hours earlier because of those water cuts.
Safripol's commitment to sustainability goes beyond helping people in need. It is embedded in the way we develop our products. For example, being acutely conscious of preserving our natural resources, especially water, we developed Impact 100 pressure pipe resin, certified by the independent European certification body as meeting the strict requirements for use in pressure pipes. These pressure pipes are longer lasting and reduce leakage. Similarly, our high-density polyethylene resin with proven long-term resistance to environmental stress creates durable, leak-resistant water tanks that are safe to use. These long-lasting water tanks are an important solution for rural areas where infrastructure is not yet in place. Safripol is committed to sustainability in its products and its operations. We go beyond sustainability by supporting communities and by knowing that moving ahead means giving back.